it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new. Welcome on into today's video. And of course, birthday shout out of the day. Is today your birthday? If so, happy birthday. Y'all drop some happy birthday love in the comments. I just received my Ipsy OG, the original glam bag for the month of August. I will of course pop details here. This is my longest running and most purchased subscription service ever. I've received my OG Ipsy glam bag since March of 2015, y'all, so for a very, very long time. So as grateful as I am to get PR from Ipsy, I still get my paid for versions as well, and I'm just as happy with it as I've always been. I'm gonna shut my mouth and we're gonna go in. I already love the bag choices this month. Of course, I've already gotten my PR bag. I just think they nailed the design. I think it's really, really pretty. I like the zipper pull. It's just nice. I don't always keep these. I guess I could get a little closer. Hey. Oh, eyeshadow of the day is the brand new Gourmande Girls Pandemonium eyeshadow palette. I did receive this in PR, and I do have an affiliated code with her. It's Riri10 to save some money. I earn a commission if you use that. But that is today's kind of sun vibes, fire vibes. So yeah, we're gonna dive into this. We generally get a theme. You get 5 travel mini size items. Occasionally we do get lucky and get full sizes as well. And then we get the cosmetics bag. Every month we do also have a theme. So for August 2026, the soft reset. Restore, relax, repeat. This month, it's all about nourishing formulas, soft textures, and small moments that turn your routine into a ritual. We generally get some information about our products. I'm not gonna look at that just yet. And yeah, I'm gonna go in. First up, one of my favorites. This is the Pistache Skincare, the Pistachio Oil Pistachio Body Butter. Hydrating Pistachio Body Butter. This is a really good size. We're actually going on vacation very, very soon, so I'm about to put this right here in my bag because I'm packing. If you have not tried this, oh, it smells divine. Matter of fact, I'm putting on some right now, y'all. It is safety sealed. And I like that this has a very soft, like quite natural pistachio flavor. Don't eat your lotion, y'all. Okay, don't eat your lotion. Soft natural scent. And it doesn't smell like aggressive or anything like that. It's so nice, you guys. It's really thick and got like a really nice whipped texture to it. What I love about this though, aside from that natural fragrance, is the way that it feels, because it's thick, it's dense, it's hydrating, but it passes the snap test. So it sinks and absorbs right into the skin. Oh my gosh. Smells so dang good, y'all. I'm already happy. Next up is from Innisfree. We get quite a few products from them. This is the Retinol Green Tea PDRN Firming Serum. Y'all know that retinol is all the rage. Be careful with actives though. And PDRN I've been hearing a lot of. So I'm actually gonna pack this in my overnight bag as well. I'm thrilled. And my profile, just to note too, is that I have light to medium skin, dark eyes, dark hair. I'm very comfortable with makeup, but I have a preference for skin. So for my personal bag, I like to see a 3-2 ratio. I'd rather have 3 that are like skin, body, hair, and only 2 makeup, which I'm happy with whatever I get. But I know a lot of y'all are more makeup fans. Let me know what side of the fence you're on. You want more skincare or more makeup? Next up is, oh, that is I'm packing that too. Damn, y'all, this is a good bag. This is gonna be beautiful with what I'm wearing too. This is from Milani. Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper in the shade 11 Tropical Shine. I do also speak to a lot, and I rant about this a lot. If it is a summertime bag, I want to see summer stuff, and this is very much that. I am not gonna go straight from the applicator. I love a gigantic doe foot applicator though. Ooh, very slightly minty. So I think this is gonna be one that's not gonna be quite as aggressive like my favorite Too Faced ones. I know not everybody likes that, but I'm gonna go with this in the case I don't like this. That's gonna be stunning with this look, you guys. Ooh. Okay. A little thick for me. A little kind of tacky-ish. I may have to try it again or try it on its own, but if you've tried this and I am feeling a little bit of stick, a little bit of kind of thickness, let me know. Not my favorite. I will revisit it though and try to update you guys. It's pretty though, and it smells nice. Next up, I'm seeing some bubble wrap, which we know that means makeup. This is from Bisha. They're kind of becoming a little bit of a staple in our bags. This is the Essential City Palette 3 Face Shades Edit 1. And the few things that I have tested and or demoed for you guys from them, I've really liked. I think they have really nice quality products. Okay, so I'm kind of seeing right here on the side, the shades. Ooh, this feels nice. Yeah, if you've been looking for like, you know, plump, and I feel like some brands label things as plump, but it doesn't do like the tingling plump. I think they just mean your lips appear plump. But if you're looking for a plumper that you don't actually feel, I think this is nice. It is a little bit denser and kind of a little bit thicker formula. Okay, so that is what that looks like. That is cute. That is really small though, in terms of like putting brushes in here. I use gigantic brushes for like bronzers and stuff like that. I personally would not see use for this, although I do like it and I can see how it could appeal to a lot of people. But I'm gonna go ahead and put that back in the box because I know I'm not gonna use that, and y'all know I'm not a wasteful person. And then last up in my Ipsy glam bag is, ooh, that feels nice. This is the Cold Brew Rosemary Balancing Scalp Mask with charcoal. Also, something that I'm not a fan of is like rosemary and stuff in scents. I know that it's great for your hair. I don't like that personally. Like, I don't like cucumber and stuff like that. I don't like tea tree. So that is just a personal preference. I will say though, I did get the ratio that I like. I got 2 makeup products and then 3, you know, more skin, hair, whatever the case may be. Let's check out our little pamphlet over here. We got our Rated Green, the Cold Brew Rosemary Balancing Scalp Mask with Charcoal. That's a lot to say. Transform your scalp and strands in 1 step. This multitasking mask deeply nourishes and revitalizes for a balanced, healthy looking shine. Infused with cold brew, rosemary, and charcoal, it's like a spa day for your hair. Tip: after shampooing, massage into the scalp, leave on for 5 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. If this doesn't have a heavy scent, I may kind of research it and look it up. I may test it out. And this is a full-size product for $5. The Pistache, I already know and love this, the Skincare Pistachio Body Butter, infused with California pistachio oil and blue-green algae. This rich body butter melts in to deeply hydrate from within. It leaves the skin unbelievably soft while wrapping you in the sweet aroma of pistachio biscotti. I agree, it smells great. And this tip: after showering or bathing, massage all over the body, concentrating on elbows, knees, and heels. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $28. And this is something that I go back to a lot, kind of speaking in terms specifically of Ipsy because we get smaller sizes most of the time. This is a really nice and affordable way to test a ton of different brands. You know, and I'm paying like roughly $3-ish per item versus I pay $28 for this and I hate it. So I really love it for that. Of course, you know, if you're traveling and things like that, and it's just an affordable way to try a lot of different brands, different products and stuff like that. Next up is the Innisfree Retinol Green Tea PDRN Skin Booster Serum. Firm, smooth, and radiant. That's what happens when 56% green tea PDRN powers up with a 1% triple retinol complex. This gentle vegan serum goes hard against fine lines and dullness, all while hydrating and supporting your skin barrier. Apply to clean skin before moisturizer for a bouncy, radiant finish. This is a deluxe sample. The full size would be $37. Next up, we have the beautiful Milani Cosmetics Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper in Tropical Shine. Get max moisture and a fuller looking pout in 1 swipe. This ultra nourishing gloss glides on buttery smooth with a cooling tingle, shimmery coral color, and serious shine. Never sticky. Actually, okay, it's not sticky. And now that it's been on my lips for a few minutes, I'm feeling that cooling. I don't feel tingling, just a tiny, tiny kiss of like a cooling sensation. If you're used to the Fenty and you like those, I think I am gonna like this and keep it, but I'll wear it by itself instead of over something. It just has a denser texture to it. There's grip, there's hold there to it. This is a full size for $12, which almost pays for the entirety of our bag. Last up, we have our Bisha, the Essential City Palette in Edit 1. Meet your shortcut to sculpted, radiant skin. This palette's trio consists of a luminous champagne pink, a soft dusty rose pink, and a warm terracotta peach. Buildable color means you're in control, from subtle to statement. Tip: apply to the high points of the face to add warmth, color, and radiance. This is a full size for $48. Absolutely not. I would never in a million years pay $48 for this. That just seems kind of pricey to me. Y'all chime down below and let me know. Also, are we bag twins? What did you get in your bag? And what did you think of my bag? That is it for today. That is everything I received in my August Ipsy OG, the original. I appreciate you beauties so much. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below if you did enjoy. You can share this video out, you can hype this video, and there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.